Welcome to Coco with Connor.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cooking for the Casuals. Today we will be talking about how to make some scrumptious cheesy bread. And also with me is my new friend Beatbox. From now on, he will be accompanying the instructions on how to make all this great food. Today's beat from the Beatbox is Much Higher by Cosmic. Enjoy. Yeah, it's Coco with Connor. Cheesy Bread Edition. Yeah. Y'all ready for this? I know I am. Alright. Let's have some fun. Notes in my bank, got the means to make the cash flow. Gas in the tank, got the pedal to the metal. Whoa, heading to the store, looking for some scrumptious deals. Looking for some bread, anything but the heels. Buy it from the store, take it home, let's prepare the package. You'll be eating good, like in Rome, it just won't be average. Pulling out the toaster, bread goes in and make it click in place. Good from end to end, take it out and now your heart's erased. Well, I guess it's time for the cheese to make a grand re-entrance. Yeah, you put a lot, stay its hand from enacting vengeance. Don't you eat it yet? There's still more, you got a lot to do, like adding the spice from the road you already wandered through. Salt, paprika, grind it on the loaded bread. Lunch, meat, set it on its cheesy bed. Egg, maybe, it's totally all up to you. Lunch, baby? Guess you should be making two. Now you're falling over, good God, that's a heavenly aroma. If you don't stay keen and careful, it might put you in a coma. Anything else to add? I thought not, it's all good. Has it just made you sad? Get out of my goddamn neighborhood. This is an original, a classic staple of my kitchen. Don't like it just yet? You are in need of convincing. Take a bite. All is added, all is done. I hope you made it number one. Yes! One take. Coco with Connor. Cheesy Bread Edition. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. You guys looking for the next one?